Many of us know vegetables are very important to be healthy. We also know that fruits are very healthy and it is recommended very highly by doctors and nutritionists alike that we take some fruits every day. But did you ever wonder which one is more important out of the two? If you are unsure, this video is for you. I had this opinion which was not scientifically proven anywhere or at least explained as far as I could gather. And I did not myself record anything systematically, but I had this opinion that it is the fruits which have more vitamins and therefore are useful in improving the immunity of the body, and it is the vegetables which have more minerals and these are required in particular in controlling the emotions of myself. This was just my opinion based on a few observations which, like I said, was never systematically recorded anywhere, even by me. But I used to get this feeling that if I missed out on vegetables for some time, my emotions were not the same. So I thought, why not try on myself and see which one makes what difference to me. So for the past 5 weeks, I have given up fruits completely, which used to be the majority of my food, and I have taken only vegetables during this period. And I tried to record myself how I felt energetically, spiritually, emotionally, and anything else that I could see. What I noticed is that there was no difference. That's the conclusion. If you just wanted to listen to the conclusion and get away from the video, that's about it. But if you want to understand more, what happened is during this period of vegetables only food, being a person who enjoys more of fruits than vegetables, even so when it comes to law, it was difficult for me to give up fruits completely. That was my staple food, so to say. And giving out fruits altogether, especially bananas, my favorite food, an easy to snack on item, I missed quite a bit. But it did not affect me anything in terms of how I felt the rest of the day for the rest of the matters. Vegetables are so important for human body that there were several studies which were done to establish that if a person were to go completely carnivorous, the person will get all kinds of health issues. So it was very important for vegetables to be part of human diet. If you notice, all the non-vegetarians who are extremely high on non-vegetarian items, still they consume some amount of vegetables. You could be completely on vegetables, but you could not be without any vegetables. Even those people, tribals who are completely in remote forests, whose food is primarily non-veg, carnivorous, they hunt and eat, they also include some amount of roots in particular in their diet. Otherwise, the tribe wouldn't have survived. So the importance of vegetables can never be undermined. But what exactly is the distinction between vegetables and fruits? Like I said, I used to hold an opinion that vitamins are higher in fruits and minerals are higher in vegetables. But several of my nutritional studies during the last few videos in particular, when I would read a lot, I understood the content of minerals versus vitamins did not differ much between vegetables and fruits. There could be a certain vegetable which is high in vitamins, less in minerals, and vice versa with another vegetables. Similarly, in fruits, there could be some fruits which are high in vitamins, but there are some fruits which are high in minerals. you could not make any nutritional distinction between the two. Now, if you were to talk botanically, one will have seeds, the others will not. You could sow a fruit and get a plant or tree out of it, but you couldn't do so for vegetables. So, biologically speaking, botanically speaking, yes, they are different. But if you come to see how we consume, there are many vegetables which we consider as fruits and vice versa. For example, if you are not aware, you could be surprised. Apple, I believe, is actually a vegetable and it is not a fruit. Similarly, tomatoes, which we consider as a vegetable, is actually a fruit. And if you see how they behave on a plant or a tree, vegetables, when they ripen, they look like a fruit. For example, dosakaya, or the yellow cucumber, when it is raw in green color, we don't consume. It's only when it ripens we consume it, and we still call it as a vegetable. An orange, which is green in color, when it is growing initially, we do not consume. We consume it only when it ripens fully. But look at the difference. One we are calling a fruit, the other we are calling it as a vegetable. So how much it ripens on the plant is different and doesn't decide whether we eat it when it is a vegetable stage or when it is at a ripened stage. There are some vegetables, in fact many vegetables, when they ripen we don't eat them. So the distinction between vegetable and a fruit when it comes to consumption, it doesn't make any difference. Does it make any difference when you actually eat only one category and nothing of the other category? That's the experiment I have done in the last 5 weeks, where my food was predominantly vegetables, some amount of nuts. But I made sure that I did not consume any fruit during this period, which used to be my staple food earlier, along with nuts. I did not find any difference in terms of how I felt during the day, emotionally, spiritually, happiness, unhappiness. I thought I had this slightly, sad feeling, not a high feeling, when I did not consume vegetables consistently. But this, when I experimented for the last 5 weeks, I did not find it so. So, if you are wondering which one is more important to you, be rest assured you could just consume one and nothing of the other, you would still be healthy. How about consuming only fruits and not vegetables? Well, that I don't have to do an experimentation, because that's what I do for the most part of my diet during the last 3.5 years. It is predominantly 90-95% fruits. There is only a very small percent of vegetables that get into my diet in the raw food. So guys, I hope I have made it clear what is useful more, or I have made it clear that both are equally useful to you. You could be rest assured and control your diet as you deem fit. But raw food is very important. Consuming everything raw is extremely more important than deciding between nuts or dry fruits or wet fruits or fresh fruits or vegetables, organic, not so organic. Everything else is less important than eating raw. By the way, for those of you who are new to this channel, I am making a kind of a course, a comprehensive one on raw food diet fundamentals, which are covered under 3 segments. The first segment covers the philosophy. We are coming towards the end of the philosophy. Whatever I thought I should explain, I have done it. This one and probably 1 or 2 more are going to be the last within the segment of the philosophy. If you think you have missed out something, or you are interested in something that I have not covered in these videos so far, please let me know, and I will try to see if I can make a video on that as well before I conclude the philosophy. we are coming to a conclusion of this video series on the philosophy. If there is something that comes to your mind, you think I have not covered in the last 22, 23 or so episodes, please let me know in the comments. And guys, there's something very important I wanted to tell you and suggest. It seems like there is an opinion for many of you that if you click on the like button, then you will be bombarded with that particular channel's videos when you go into YouTube. That's not the way how it works. If you watch a certain channel's video, whether you clicked on the like or not, it will come up as a suggestion from YouTube more frequently. If you subscribe, it is a little more, but even if you did not subscribe, if you watched something, it is more likely that that video will appear. Clicking a like does not affect how much you see that as a suggestion. Clicking a like or a dislike will affect how it is shown to others. So if you think this is a video series that could help others, please click on the like button. It doesn't affect you, but it will affect how many more people will watch it. So please go ahead and click that like button or a dislike button if you didn't like. But if you think it can help someone watch this, please click on that. Every one of you who has watched this video, I would like you to click on that like button today and let me see if it makes any difference. Thank you. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left for you. Bye bye.